Good morning, children, to everyone, and welcome to this English literature class. These days, we have been revising the chapter "The Seed of Truth." Today, I have taken the question answer section. So, let us revise these answers also. So, the first question is: who was Vidyadhara? Who was Vidyadhara? Page number 36. Who was Vidyadhara? So Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. So he was the king of Gandhara. What was he expert in? Or in other words, what was he an expert in? You know what was he expert in? What was he famous for? So the answer will be the answer is Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was expert in gardening. So he was very much interested in gardening. Then, 2 number. What did the king proclaim one day? What did the king proclaim one day? What did he proclaim? So the king proclaimed, I will distribute seeds to all the children in my kingdom. The one who grows the biggest and healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince or princess in my kingdom. So this particular king had decided to proclaim and to give seed to every child in the kingdom, and then after giving he expected the plant so that he can make that particular boy or girl the prince or princess of that particular kingdom. So that is the answer. Next one. What did Pingala do with the seed that the king gave him? What did Pingala do? 3 number. What did Pingala do with the seed that the king gave him? What did he do? He did not simply kept that seed with him. Rather, what did he do? Pingala took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. So, this particular boy called Pingala, after taking that seed from the king, he put it in the pot and he took care of this particular seed. But at the end, we know that seed did not grow into a plant. And with that empty pot, this particular boy goes to the king, and then finally, this boy called Pingala was appreciated by the king. He was faithful and he was honest, and therefore the king of Gandhara made him the prince of that particular kingdom. Next one. Why did Pingala's father feel sorry for him? Why did Pingala's father feel sorry for him? Why did he feel sorry? See, Pingala's father had seen his son working very hard with the seed, but nothing grew in the pot. it was an empty pot. So why did he feel very much upset? Because this particular boy worked very hard. In spite of his hard work, the boy was a failure one. He couldn't grow, and therefore his father felt sorry for that particular boy. And with this empty pot, he had to go to the king. Next one, explain the king's reaction when he saw Pingala standing with an empty pot. The king was getting angry maybe. So what was his reaction? So the answer is Pingala was standing at the end of the line. When the king reached him, he reacted in surprise. He said, "Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Would you not grow anything?" So this was the expression the king gave to this particular boy. So my dear children, please study well. I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.